This is the first video using R Statistical Software. All those tutorial video will be available in the playlist. So on the right hand side we have the console, and on the left hand side we have the editor. Usually use the editor to literally just to save the data, to save the comment, instead of writing it again and again all the time. Just like to keep them, to store them. Okay, so the best way to obtain it is to do a new script. And so here you do it as cascade all the windows, or tile vertically or horizontally, or arrange icons. So we're gonna do it vertically. So we have the console on the left, and the editor on the right, on the left, and the console on the. So let's define. If we say a is equal to 3 and we do object, so we obtain all the saved information in that one. So if we need to delete this one, if we do Control L, so in a way it's like a clear screen. So if we do objects again, we could see it again. Okay, so in order to delete all those, either we say RMA, and if we do objects deleted, so if we define more than one variable, and C is equal to 5. So now if we do object, we got all three of them are A, B, C. If we do RM to clear one of those objects, we have to delete one at a time. In order to delete all of them, all what I have to do is the following. So rem parenthesis list is equal to ls. Okay, and so if we do object again, it's all cleared, and Control L, it is gone. In the editor, for example, if we use the hashtag, it will be this is my first R Statistical Software, and you could write the same comments we write it there. So if I click on this, you can see it is equal to 0. If we do here is A3, and if we do objects again and we click on this one, so you could see the value still equal to 0. So if we define A, we should be able to obtain A as a value is equal to 3. So if you put here as A, you should put it here, so because it will read it as line per line, as you would see here in the console. Okay, so in the next video